All right, guys, so huge track update today. We're here at BMP. We're going to show you all the things we've been working on. We've had some delays. We've had a lot of weather. We've had a lot of stuff going on, but the guys have been working nonstop. So first stop today is our new and improved oil dump. So we had a lean-to installed off the back of the tech building. We're going to put some retaining walls here, and this will be the new oil dump. The oil dump previously was kind of what is now the entrance road.
Yep.
So we got a lot of real estate over there, and this is going to be more convenient for the racers because most of the racers that would dump oil would have to cross over, go back to the other side of the track to dump oil. Now it'll be right here at the tech building. So this will be really, really nice.
Yeah, it's a one-stop shop now. All your stuff takes place at the tech building for that.
Yeah. So we're going to take you guys through all of the upgrades and things that we've got going on and just kind of bring you up to date and let you know where we're at, and hopefully we get this place back up and running pretty soon.
Very soon. That's the goal.
All right, guys. So they are pouring some asphalt right now as we are filming this, which is awesome. So if you race here at BMP, or if you've been here for the snowbirds, you'll see that when the jet trucks run and the jet cars run, they tear up the asphalt all behind the water box. We got that all fresh and new before you be pulling out in your race car and there'd be bumps and divots, or if you were walking or pushing the car, you might roll your ankles. So that's going to be all fresh. We're also standing on some fresh, brand new concrete. So all of our equipment that you always see behind the cars, behind the burnout box, will all be parked to either side, either on this side or the tower side, and free up some space back there for us to do more things. Really, really loud, but hopefully you guys will get this.
That's what you need. That's all that's left.
All right, guys. So another huge thing we've been working on, we haven't talked about it at all yet, is we make some repairs to the track surface. So about 2 years ago now, we redid the track surface, and as it settled and as we ran on it some, we had some things we weren't happy with, some cracks, some just areas of concern that we weren't happy with, and we knew we wanted to take care of it. So what better time? We're not open right now. Let's get it done. So as you can see behind us, cut out a bunch of problem areas from the track, stuff that we found as we were doing it. We cut out a little bit more just to make sure it's perfect when it gets redone. They're back there prepping it right now to hopefully pour it tomorrow.
Yeah, we're pouring tomorrow. So the rebar is going to get tied in first thing tomorrow morning, and then that day and then the following day we're pouring all the rest of this concrete, get this surface back and better than it ever was, and we'll be back to racing soon.
Yeah, and
we're
then
counting down the days.
As soon as that is cured, Wade said like a week.
Yeah.
Wade and the guys will get on it and start prepping and getting this thing ready. So even before the entrance road is done or anything is done, the guys will be continuing to work and prepping the track and getting ready to hopefully reopen pretty soon.
Yeah, there's always something going on, as you guys can see. There's probably 5 different areas around the property that people are actively working on to get all these projects going and completed.
It's coming out great. One more stop, we'll show you guys the entry road. And then I think that's it for the updates right now. Yep. Oh, we'll show them the bathrooms too.
Yeah, we can do that.
All right, cool. All right, guys, so entry road update. As you can see behind us, the guys have been working nonstop, and as of now, aside from the poles, we would be ready to put down some asphalt. So we started doing this, and then we decided that it would be really stupid to do this with these poles in the way. So Josh has been working with the guys at Preco, the local power company, to pull the permits, get all these poles removed, and get everything done in like record time. So hopefully next week we get the poles out of here.
That's the goal. Although it feels like it's taking forever.
No, it hasn't.
We are doing stuff at a pretty good pace. So yeah, right now we're just waiting for the final easement and plans for this. And then we're looking somewhere next 7 to 10 days that poles are out and then the road will be paved. It's only going to take them 1 day to get all these poles out and shift it over. So that's the good news.
So yeah, this will be great. Once they get that done, hopefully in the next, like you said, 7 to 10 days, I get all these poles removed and we'll have 3 massive lanes. And our pit gate is way, way, way down there now. So you'll be able to pull in 2 rigs at the same time and still be able to exit the facility and still be able to get in and out of the Freedom Pack.
Yep.
So we won't be blocking you guys when we're doing our own events.
Blocking us.
Yeah,
it's an us.
We were blocking the Freedom Factory guys.
Yeah.
So this is really cool. We also got a driveway now to our overflow parking, we'll call it, but it'll be used for VIP at big events, media,
Yep.
sponsors, staff. So you guys will be able to pull into the main entrance at BMP, turn right into here. You'll have your credentials and you'll walk right in by the tower, which will be really nice.
Yeah.
So the guys have been killing it. The tower is looking beautiful. The bathrooms are all done. Those look beautiful. They're pouring the asphalt today for the area in front of the water box. We're close.
Yeah, and I'm excited.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a brand new place when people come back through these gates.
I cannot wait to take a video and bring you guys with us when we reopen and drive down this road, drive through these gates. It'll be amazing. So hopefully 3 or 4 weeks we're opening.
That's the goal. I mean, right now we're knocking on August's door, so we're hoping by the end of August we're able to do our bracket event here. That's the goal.
So yeah, we'll let you guys know when we get a little bit closer. We'll have an official date of when we're going to reopen. We know a lot of people are asking, and we've just had a lot of delays, the weather and the polls, and
we're trying.
So on and so forth. We're trying. We want to be open more than you guys probably know. But we'll let you know when that date is. We'll throw an absolute banger. We'll fill this place up, and hopefully you guys come join us, and we'll show you around. Thanks. All right, guys. So that's it for today. That's the update. The guys have been working nonstop, and the place is looking great. We've made a ton of progress. Today they should be done with all the asphalt behind the water box area there. The concrete is done on the edges there for us to park all of our equipment on, and we also have some other ideas that might be pretty cool to use that new concrete over by the tower. But things are coming along. It's one of those things, we got into this and Garrett and I were both just like, man, while we're doing this, we might as well do it right, and we might as well do this and do that, and just, it's a snowball of doing all of the things that we have wanted to do for a while now. So the track repairs was a huge, undertaking, and something that we had to like handle very seriously. Can't mess with that surface unless you do it perfectly, and they have done an amazing job. So hopefully all of that will be poured in the next day or two, and the guys can start working on the grinding of it, getting the texture right, and then Wade in a week can start prepping it. So thanks for watching, and thanks for the support. We're gonna throw you guys a crazy banger event as soon as this place is up and running. Previously, when we did all of our big track upgrades, when we had reopened, it was the most insane street heat that we've ever had. I mean, it was packed. It was like thousands of people here. The lanes were packed, and it was just an absolute banger, and we miss it. We want that. We want to do it again. One thing about it, myself, Garrett, Josh, Wade, all of our crew, we love drag racing. We love having you guys here. We love hosting you guys here. So we're itching and we're dying to get back out here. So hopefully very, very soon we can throw a banger event, get back to the list racing, get ready for FL2K and all of those things. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and continue to support us. It's much appreciated. And BMP will be back better than ever before you know it.